What's up, guys? I just ordered a Osmo Mobile 3 combo, and I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of it, so let's check it out. Already opened up the lid. Package number 1, package number 2. So I'm just gonna reposition the camera real quick. These must be the cables and everything. Oh boy. Okay, so we got a lanyard. There's more stuff in there. We got these anti-slip pads and the cables on the other side. Might as well just do it like this. Now you can open it like this as well. We got the manual. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. There we go. Just gonna throw it away. I'll box it up later. So the charging cable, some manuals, lanyard, and the anti-slip pads. I'm gonna move all of that out of the way. What else do we have? We have this one. This might be the tripod, which is nice. I mean, you can buy this for 109 euros and just get the stock edition, or you can pay 20 bucks extra and you can get the carrying case and the tripod, which I like a lot. It's going to be super handy for me when I'm going to use it to try and use Active Track 3.0 on my drift racers to see if that is gonna work or not. This must be the pouch. Yep, there you go. Nice little pouch. So that's nice as well. And now we have the big dude right here. It's already inside the carrying case. Everything is very nicely and neatly packed. There you go. It's actually very hefty. It's a nice carrying case. For me, these extra 20 bucks, definitely worth it. Has a little bit of scuffs here, but this is just foam. Oh, someone needs to eat that. So, and here is the Osmo 3. The Osmo Mobile 3. Yeah, I don't actually know how to press everything. I haven't watched enough videos. So there's a button somewhere. Hang on. Okay, I think I got it. So you have to hold this area right here, as far as I know. You can flip it up. And then that's it, actually, because it has to just turn like that. And I think there's a way to, oh, you have to do it like this. Okay. So then it should be like so. Okay, we got it. Nice. I don't like the fact that I'm filming this with my OnePlus 7 Pro, even though the video and audio is good, but I'd rather have the option to zoom out, you know. But yeah, this looks really neat. I'm gonna test it out in a few. See how much battery I have. And this can actually go out. I think this is just protective foam, just in case. So we're not gonna need that. And this has been the Osmo Mobile 3 combo unboxing. See you guys in the next one. Cheers. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe. Alright.